कोरोना से जिंदगी को देखने का नजरिया जरूर बदला है। 104.8 इश्क पर हम लाएंगे #NewTomorrow, एक ऐसे बिजनेस लीडर से इंट्रोडक्शन जो एक स्टेप ले रहे हैं टू मेक अ बेटर वर्ल्ड अपने विजन से। So let's meet them.
Hi, I'm Dr. Anagha Karkhanis, Director Cocoon Fertility, and our work area is IVF and other fertility treatments. I appreciate 104.8 Ishq for starting this initiative, New Tomorrow. New Tomorrow for me is a better action prepared healthcare system and a well-informed society with careful and wise use of the available resources. Perhaps at no other time in recent history has adaptability been more important than it is now. We need to realign our priorities, keeping in mind that patient care and safety is always first. This has brought in the insight and realization that a lot of work in healthcare can also happen remotely, like in other fields, for example, IT and consultancy services. What ideological shifts I see in people is that consumerism and casual approach is reducing and need-based choices are increasing. Everyone, irrespective of the education, socioeconomics and other diversities, has understood the value of an individual's role in controlling this deadly COVID-19 crisis. If this behavior is adopted even after the crisis is over, it will be a boon to the society as a whole. The COVID-19 crisis has got us to explore into the modern technology called telemedicine. This has enabled us to care for our patients remotely. We have many women approaching us via telemedicine daily for their infertility and gynecological issues. So we are now in a process of building new sustainable solutions with defined algorithms where the triage helps us decide when remote management is appropriate and when an appointment or an intervention is needed. People can now receive trusted medical care from their homes without having to visit a hospital and thereby maintaining social distancing and preventing further spread of the coronavirus. The COVID-19 has brought in digital healthcare to the forefront, which I believe will positively contribute to our healthcare system, not only during this pandemic, but also outside of it.
104.8 इश्क सुनो और हमारे साथ #NewTomorrow बुनो। इश्क